come on Luis Nazario and he got the deal sealed. That is how Barcelona signed Luis Nazario. Se Pepe Morata so kwan of fast sign a brand of Zlatan Ibrahimovic again obesrekwa okwa Ajax e no mo frame no roll and Nkrofo and said they want to meet Zlatan na no mo buy ntomato bia no mo te no mo sa asemo ka te Zlatan said they be oba so oba be fan akọ. The player is not prepared. Onim said Juventus will pay no omunya deal ni sealed. Alex Ferguson na full plane ko France. Any president friend of Francis Grill akoko sia say oje Fabian Barthez ba ka sika ho e dia bread PSG no omo dia branch e fere Ronaldo dia access we rather ga to dia mom Ferguson ko Thursday omo wie say one Laporta fetch la ko any Ronaldo no akoko wie deal no into Manchester United supporters na ready so omo ba be work and Ronaldo no Ken before they could say Jack na Ronaldo e play mo e ko Pratt Airport. Now Barcelona announced they finished the deal. I've narrated why Alfredo Stefano joined Real Madrid. The Koyan Santiago Bernabeu move for Murray and one mile or board them out. So, here, Casot in some more car, a far branch here, your friend Roberto Baggio, a crown far from Fiorentina, then about PM what you went to, sir. Ken Roberto Baggio are catch your supporters and say, Uncle baby, because already there is rivalry. A quite almost so G League in the Fiorentina and some Edima Dubeno, a year almost supporters in a year, and almost a problem top player also on call. We tell you, Cassotti fair, Chidema, and I'll call him, Mamma, you don't know what to say, and on the family real BBR. I feel the do say was a branch of Roberto Baggio call Fiorentina for Genom there. Roman Abramovich at 2 nipa de call Brazil. I'm an accord Lucas Moura, Mamma, one accord transfer in a real BBR. Before I realized, none of the Khalifa fetch like for Lucas Moura than about PSG. It came game in your claim. Our own countrymen. I bet you pay a quack side of my AS Monaco. Benatapi, I conspire with a medical doctor of AS Monaco team. No, and I came. Or catch and say, Uncle report in this already pay a ace. And almost yes, I report. No, one common Monaco. Before you could say that, my Benatapia sign no Elma say. Waka, Michael Essien, they are all trying to call from elsewhere. Not Robert John Line, so say Abramovich in here. Abramovich self person or Casa was signing. Simple. It's a king game and you clean. Tama Luis Luis Nadal dilemma here meeting here. Just some few minutes now Ronaldo San Siro. Not supporters go fem out. Dr. Massimo Moratti board on the slow. What you need to see that from himself or Babbo in Tamala. Now Luis Nunez no Ronaldo any Ronaldo year meeting. It was simple. Tama Barcelona for realize say, if you go call Real Madrid, na Fiorentino Perez a Shiana catch and says, "Ama 1.6 million." If you go koye meeting, will new camp no catch supporters the uncle baby. Fiorentino Perez ye dim. Or realize the na figure akwako silly deal no. Or no meji into the na be na figure do Real Madrid. The game is more clean. And you offer can be so now they are paid their own here. Now Alexis Sanchez to come Manchester City. It was agreed. And everybody knew Sanchez would play for Manchester City. Just a mobile fair actually. Said there be some microphones are Kokunya Alexis come with him there. And your dominance and your simple. Or mobile dominate sir. Alexis by Manchester United. Ken, it goes on and on and on and on. Mikel Obi to Chelsea. Into what I'm saying is that the game no fair or foul means sanity. Son of football not here. And then I'm a and yet Bible means and yet look any dear football. No. You have to win it at all cost. From FIFA, from UEFA, from CONCACAF, from CAF, and everywhere. The game is not clean. And the game. So who will be player, you don't resort to emotions. There be. And you're not yet. Just get the player. And no now, I bet one team. No, that's me. I'm watching your call. Me want to call. Said you are not for some more power. Harvard. Now, Marco Diamas or Mancoton. And see, me na me baby our habo nti almost me am me for onko. It was agreed already. Say Adriana any kotoko bi amfa no yonko player. Nti that agreement no more expect say be hold. Before Adriana realize it no. Now have e was so yeboa. Now was kotoko just say oye training. But I catch am say o mo bio. Obia friend na maken. Quickly was he changing na o mo changing the number na man na player no bokotoko. Chastela issue as to how Chastela join Kumasi as Asante Kotoko. Don't table have a trade before free kick she go or prempe. I'm realizing no what she is. Etinam say Poman house view. I'm a Ture for example. Okay. Joseph Fesso. You need to quite go the way because Ken will you be our what chicken scar or call was it. Let's see, you know what do a crowd or what has to. It's the king. The game is not clean. Maleka ko wa issue about Adriana say wako akodiska and then obi to no oboma tima your friend e ha to fu it can transfer ya ade a yemfa emotions na ye it is about getting what you want, it is about getting the right materials, it is about knowing the plan, the philosophy and where you want to reach and no man ye key intimacy see ye team say one so because of player no ba be fa no ball boa and to tum papa son keka de ye wo de say na me dey me player and you say no. Make sure you deal with the player. Make sure you lure the player. Make sure the player no be that no anakin. The open to on your free no what in yanya. I feel that is very key. I feel that is very essential because all these examples that I've given, it shows clearly. Second, the game is not clean. It is a one yes sir. The player football club ni be jina de one sir. Sir na be. I didn't know Kotoko pay man or Boatin. Kotoko na akwaje ni floating di ama no. Omo de na be kuma so obo Kotoko. Omo te won no do do man no se dua na dis na obo fifi. It is about manipulating your way through the ranks. The system. Ntina ken. Obetini team kase bia na problem. Okọ ya fe so okọ de floating na. Ya mfa ma. So ka bi te tatin ade no. Omo mfa ma because no obi aye call sa kwa na oba na ma mfa ma no. Ube kwa ba. So on ko pani bi na on pe kakra ma no na on na nka ken. There's no way you get those opportunity for your floating. Call us to national teams. Players of Mkosi Academy obi teams, agencies. You need to manipulate your way through. The game is not clean. Okay, now to the Copa America. I have 103 years and a basso. Oh, Brazil. Now checking the Copa America now. It started in 1916. Until the last time on board the United States of America. That was the first time on board outside South America. It was a centenario. And on board. It has been difficult for the Seleção in recent times. After winning it in Venezuela in 2007 and then 11 goal, no, Julio Baptista. Modisa goals no share Argentina 3-0 in the finals. It was Stadium Jose Pacheco. They are yet to lay their hands on the Copa America. Brazil is just like Egypt. Some was to Copa America now hands down. So from 1919, 1922, 1949, 1989, winning 4 times at Brazil hosted the Copa America. They've won it. It is their turn again to hold the tournament at their own backyard. So what check South America teams now will be any form? Check it with the last World Cup by your boy. Say a more bonnet to say the Coffees of Colombia, Anthony Libumark in England, you want them. The Celeste of Uruguay were eliminated by the Le Blues of France. Peru in the group of Denmark, France and Australia, Anthony unqualified. The South American teams are not on form. And Ken is always difficult playing at that particular high level are uniform. The Chilean team has scrambled. The heydays of Eduardo Vargas, Alexis Sanchez, Darío Mena, Jose Maria Bosenjo, Claudio Bravo, Arturo Erasmo Vidal Pardon. Ken, the mentality, the mental fortitude in midfield Obey the teamwork, the crunchy tackles, the telepathy, the cohesiveness, the perfect harmony in the Chilean team, no, the La Rura, no, King, and the Inhobio. Lionel Scaloni is just trying to put certain things together. And cheating, and listen about and right. For Brazil is just like Ghana. Meaning, said you say your body is scrutinizing the Black Star list now. It will be like what is transpiring in Brazil. Obia on opinion as to a player who is supposed to play. Obia on favorite as to who is supposed to play. And in football, any call up will be a coach, be a all over the world. It is subject to scrutiny by the public. But before I come to the squad, I for all the other games, and I said, world game, I am you're so happy in a second. The teams and I say players not call up to the national team. Can't compare yet, you know. Michael Ventino on TV. He played for international. Brazil Olympic Games in one Kobe. He cried on TV. Almost in interview. Also know who said the former one. No, this is a slot. And then also Olympic Games in the but coach and Fana Kobe. Oh, soon, yeah. And no, you know, I branch your friend with Richarlison. So, or TV, on a bush your phone now, waiting for his name to be mentioned. And then, after his name was mentioned, look at how he hugging a bush your phone. And Nigeria come up and no Papa or Jitum said he's going to don the Brazilian jersey. Elsewhere in Ghana, it is about money. Sikana ni yeken. It is a book player, dear. And Nigeria who famana. Who expected from the player to exhibit on the field of play, no, you don't see it. Again, fair. So with the number of quality around, all world over.
You know, national television. That's our result. Coach on national television. Now, ball is there. No be area. The normal we are they ask you questions. And yes, all carry what the name of banner. Actually, you know what we didn't come on. We don't do it that way. What a dear into my way. And most of the questions now, Tita to me answer. And we play like Richarlison, dear now. The things only about us. Now, one and none no me and or Ruby a hippie.
Can he's representing?
I agree with you. Yeah, dear, no. I quite a player and Ankas and Casa cry. I can't say that. Would you say, would you know, who could be? Into who how national team no is it?
Me say last year I said okay last year Fagner there. Fagner has a serve for Colombia. He's won everything at Colombia. Only a chance in Europe. He's competing with better right back than him in Europe. This is rewarding with the national team call up. And Ken, now go see for how no my man. And no be a change. Richarlison there. Me who to Otifemo. On Tiakonya so Otifem and the pressure on the train, you know. I was say and then Ghana names you play a place in the quad about your mobi. It's calling them to the national team at the anchor was second. They to embrace their hands. Now come out here to my other too. Pick the Ghanaian players from number 1 to the last person. Say how many minutes nobody will Europe? How they Bible national team. But then me who Ghana play I have a national team or send a niaje and I say Ube a sense of ecstasy, a sense of elation.
Is it about your respect? Yes.
Ken, and we are one. 2, you need the reason for playing for the national team. Yentiasi. And the penny for now yet be from politics. Or more with football than him. Ken, you've game na kasa yen hand. Yamana yet is sika. Look at what. Player cosign agree terms. Yet in the sika man. Oh, we are not making a down for say about African players. Do you understand why you are playing as a footballer? You don't. The national team elsewhere, why are they insulting him? And do they have any player better than him? But because they've seen better players, can you remember them? De Stefano, Ferenc Puskas, Francesco Gento, Roman Cooper. Into your Ronaldo, how you whine. San Omoyano, who you take at how you whine, who you rawa, who you whine. But yeah, you might place no money be more about more to say, or me a prima donnas, or me a Galacticos, or me just and prefer I see a watch a poem. They've won nothing. At least Neymar has won the Olympic game for Brazil for the first time in 88 years. Who? They've seen Ronaldinho, they've seen Kaká, they've seen Robinho, they've seen Luis Nazario de Lima, they've seen Romario. into one team in fun national team metoto na se Ken Fernandino a Brazil for so monti asese ya fe no look at the City team Peter Drury Rebecca tell we say or Gidie pass Pep Guardiola born the first level or no born the first because there's no replacement for Fernandino in the Manchester City team onye play aketwa imagine he play for Barcelona Manchester United Real Madrid and all those
and most of Brazilians feel say Tite even for names yeah I can say Thiago Silva your operation minor one back mfaso bia ne so Marquinhos mfaso bia ne so João Miranda at Inter Milan still back on the Militao na Babede Abaka fa Tamela Babi room Paqueta Babi room Fernandino position yes Fabinho dia Alan Ababi room the moon as I said Dino old ones and again no more color for sa and cranny boss or Brazil no say be Brazil any chance so coach need the one question by there say Brazil for the film and one
okay
or more do find I show more the basically on the panel because not at least or more expected team or mobile for 2022 World Cup and the same thing will happen in Ghana on Monday.
yeah.
Oh yes. Old ones, baby. Baby. But when you sabe 18. Yeah. Difference be any and one at the corner.
Okay.
So what I say.
Yes.
But a coach in the decision. But maybe I'm no ya again say. Say the players on national television. Obi ntimi
I can't.
You play you are. Sorry Charles said you take decisions on the bush of phone number 30. No more shit. Obu also am heavy. Yeah. Because on to me, it's in a bush of phone we had was a baby and he did Bama.
No, my friend.
No, my look at player like Lucas Moura.
Yeah.
How would Obi feel?
Very bad.
Shanema Lucas Moura you within
few days.
Until you the born opposite CA Neka as Uncle Kobe. My coach will take a decision on different players. Gabriel is sitting chain. Born will Bobby. But or not. Says here by your boy Lucas Moura had a channel.
Cannot for the same position.
But fine. Lucas Moura says, I'm born as a force, which we put in there. Baby, out in the boat. And not make us say, what national show Moody and said, and he blended players in a year for the national team just now. I just said, they said, live television. Okay, because I said, coach, live on TV.
Yes.
National TV, no names. In Central 4, player A, we are a Daniel, one answer player A. So, oh, answer questions, not every single player, every single player will be answered. So, I said, my head, the baby, a chair or a press conference. So, I said,
can I say, I'm seeing that. Yeah. How many times go on a blast there, Bobo? Sameko 4, I'll be the Pilemo. You more chance to meet the place. And we are number one.
In place, look at your moon.
Sika kono kasim bitire kotoko place no enche. O catch am so no. The nti okobo okwa United ni Ashgold no yese na onimbo obo. Place na na okotoko oba o nche jesi.
Sometime.
Oh yes, oba o nche jesi. Nti o so okofa baabi ene wonya be ni chance ni biade hapo. Nti no okwa United ene okwa.
And obey national team captain.
And obey national team captain. The point I'm making is that Sawoko Arena the Corinthians now be free wa. Stadium nanim. Enipa osuwo ye Belani. Belani won the World Cup twice. We don't joke with Belani in Brazil. He is one of the finest centre backs in the game. Sawoko Germany they don't joke with Frank Beckenbauer. Italian don't joke with Paolo Maldini. You joke with Tobia. You joke with Tobia. Obia we can
one footballer be said Andy can say footballer be start you see baby anka obi mu ho a o we won
Obasa baba ya ready to stadium
and you can say Brazilian players no
meaning someone in for you there because we did it to so
okay Brazil just one Brazil the stadium will be din that so edin journalist in Maracanã a stadio journalista Malia Filo omon fa ene de mo last stadium akoya ansa na oba Man Garincha. Asa. Omumfa obi edin to so apart from journalista Maria Fino and Mar Garincha. But Ken, they know what the national team represents. They know. Omuni say a national team say oko Bobby na oya dia. Ken, Richarlison mo a okan. Would you much this in non boku pa America you see them. They don't joke. Omunim say you need to fight for your large blood and sign out the be free my free because just now we no. Okay, Lucas Moura you are talking national team bay and a player. About hat-trick in the semi-final of the Champions League event. Talk about the French national team that won the water. Obe walking straight into the national team. Douglas Costa, it's about injuries. When you fit Ken, England for a come out of him, really a money now again. They will just adore them easily. Omobe Bob Philippe Anderson, look at the performance for West Ham. Obe run easily. But Ken, they make you say.
And William
Yes, they make you say. See, oh yeah, now the Brazil they are comparing. Again, the difference is that there are some places Brazilians don't have quality to replace them, especially central defense. But yeah, they are can Ken. Ube who say we mo they are not fine. Be omo performance now double. But who check your position on mo bona clearly. Ube who say first 11 in there. So your best player akwa no striker obe ma 10 goals a season. But who they check yeah there no. Obi o say check at you for example. He's our best player. But in Ancient Liverpool game nim. Ubetimi atwe be 10 matches unhu no. E ho ana oba bebo back until apart from Partey who has been consistent in the Atletico Madrid team. Ene Richard Ofori take your players ni na obone unhu ni biu. Obi a third choice, obi a second choice and a whole lot. Okay. I'm saying that until see e be my players now who what the Blasters represent. Ni e jai sa your bold ken. We ye more retailers in this year about the man $100,000. But yeah, you know, Modino, your Casca, your body, and the you expect that player to perform? No. I saw Bian's appearance fee $50. Yes.
And I just said, Kenyan player, Bianco Richards. And Brazilian squad, they have performed on national television, live television. Now, on Nana, what's a form? And as a be a television, what's a form? And I'm cranking 200 Nana, no one's a Brazilian to say, I was phoning it. Be a trying to see be out. Your boy do 22, and it didn't mind. I can't one. There's no population that could 250 million. I can't one.
What kinds of World Cup the same?
Last one, so Yamiadum, and a bayon one. Now the Russian Cobam, and the Jack on any Jew. W and crank it to a wolf you in eyes, how many
now Brazil,
how national team almost a day. In the again, I am about the quad, and me, you can't hear squad, and I'm saying because well, because you don't almost say no, you come back. And the coach, I'll be able to list.
I think this was the president to be able to move right. What is I call Brazil seat or president? I call we say,
I got let's call president.
No, young cause a fire fast way.
The government, Efre, as a modern. No free the die. You
say, crime,
the crime, never found the video. I
know our money. I just listen, no,
maybe okay.
Is it way quite look down on the coach?
What I know, now me catch out of crap. Omo person Muroma Conte, Emmanuel Jenfield Fatal count. They are not football people. They are not. In the Paclonim, the Emsa or no deal that. I don't know what deal. He is a politician. Our woman on the person, these got 3 to be included. Don't know the position less than 30. Less than 20. It is all this about 30. Let us honor push ya. Felix in a woman, Felix in Doom. But 3 players here can a person can't honor. I'm telling you, and has centre back Mohamed Alassa. A politician and you push us in for political reasons.
Name said, Uncle say, you're free locals on the side drop it.
Because I attend you.
So from me no be any and I okay. From me no be any
we are player woman.
Ah, because I want to ask you one be ka be hwan. O ye media ma, o ye Chelsea, o ye aduan, o voice na client.
Obi akran fro.
Obi am fro.
Yem fa so, me da se. Osofa do no. Ko ko there. Fa send be bra.
Kin in 7 doors.
Okay.
Doors.
Wo ni crown fa bra.
Kin. About 3 and a month ago, because Dr. Yawamosapon, if you done a coin, no officially, the second crater, say, you're fine. If you could go for upon, I'm up on it.
Say, 6 months, 6 months,
6 months.
Bam. And I got also a pound. Oh, Mamma 6 months.
Oh, Mamma, was me cram,
and an inhuman, the bird.
I end them by inhuman. It's a king. Oh my God! Now king from next week. Reduce a bed. because a section of Kotoko supporters, and that's a majority of Kotoko supporters want Dr. Chi out from Kotoko.
So why am I?
I must say one. Who said you be Pamoa or Botim Lucron? We ain't sick. And you are one.
Bien no Kotoko betin o bekasa sanachi.
Kilo master take.
Daddy, Obien o betin
I
ka.
don't want to say.
So meba
Or Botim Lucron.
meba
Yeah,
Obien ni ho a
Mr.
Kotoko
Moore,
support
okay.
bi entimi kasa asem.
Mr. Moore, okay.
Saa de na maka wo ha na nyende. Ɛna papa ne boka bia maka wo asem saa.
But no better
Ɛna
so.
Obien o betimi sa asem na to opanyini so. Na me kwa me ma kwa ma hon frɛ radio so kasa asem. It is obi supporter bi ono wo saa dwen na. De bia me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔmo sika na ɔmo de yɛ. O pre-finance wa gye sika. And no buy what bread, or buy a cat, or boca. I thought the banner who said, or Mokabi.
Journalists now so you can.
Or the Soboka, because someone can't quit. All money in it.
Okay.
Same film and Sunny in it.
Aye.
There will be some so much, more percentage in it.
Okay.
And my
Or buy it.
okay.
King. NC special competition. In here, cap in here, Dr. Chipa. And it is what they say. Obi go to your break. Obi go home referee. Kotoko. A bomb matches nibi. A match be. I know for a fact.
Into us.
Kotoko. Zone no more. Matches are. A beer, a Diana, a beer, Diana, a beer, a Diana, Mediama. Or matches no. Say, if I say Diana, and it be chim, a boy. Kotoko Bobby.
Understand?
Ebia Mediama,
Oh, boy, a car football.
Mediama Sporting, Ebia Mediama ne Techima 11 Wonders boy. Kotoko Ebo Obama Mediama Lusu. And they even Omutia winning bonus.
And so, Okasa, and then a lot. But you know, say, Tama Liverpool City a preno. Oh, Hana, crop of film. We a player. We didn't for the player is out of way. Wait, mother talk right. So what I say.
Okay, I have you.
Don't you mean coach yes, but motivation.
King, maybe your mama say. Techima 11 Wonders and Adriana Stars. Techima 11 Wonders, Adriana Stars. Maybe you won't actually say Kotoko, Emma, Techima 11 Wonders, 6,000 Ghana City. 6,000 Ghana City as winning bonus. And my players. 6,000 Ghana City. Obi o Jimmy Chimbiano. Ombra me production. 6,000 Ghana City. King. It's a trophy in here, Dr. Kwame Chipa. So be come here. Say 3 years, so come here. Oh na. Uri team ni ma me no we Africa ni okudum pempen so we na trophy agi ni nti okubu akonta say trophy no ehia ne pa NC trophy no ehia Dr. Kwame Chi na me hwe mo che say open means bia to get a trophy na la koche na wo mention King Africa no Dr. Kwame Chi is Sango because
Dr. Kwame Chi, as I talk about the football club, baby or more, baby has a 10 day and more, and so not here before. Into the writing, since some
team we Africa and you better more. Matches I share our Baba sports stadium. Boys in the body more fun. Now Dr. Kwame Chi Tenase. No share confederation or Mokoyan. Utumi gate 20 cities. Popular stand no. Oji VIP 50, VIP 80, Park Yama. I say African no sanko bio. Because supporters no meba. Aba be he. Obenya sika. It's NC special competition no. Papa no ehia din. Nti say we akotwa we no kan no meti na chesa. Because I got 2 matches. Got 2 matches. Our mother ball. Matches from Mugusu ball. Sunday match match ne de media man walusu media man ye dan walusu oh me say me de me where we
I can't hear you.
Ken o the house there no ya fa mama
Okay. But that's a fair one also, Father. Okay. I didn't much for woman and sign room with the sign rest and but Dr. Kwame in 3 years ago,
Okay.
those supporters. What's that in Japan?
Nancy, I was doing I did 3 years, be bringing on time to us.
Maybe minimum opinion, but maybe supporters on sign now.
Okay.
They want to say,
Okay.
but the problem, Kakao, no, any of you trade the government. And I said 3 years. You really do my job, about the dear. When I said so, no, do back, no shame, man. I was on no, yes, mistakes and kissing it. I never come any gem where Kotoko players. And it's about women only Yaka.
Oh, that will be
Very good, very, very important. Our administration was, oh, yeah, don't betray maybe I know. Players secretary, a man, worker secretary, are the key. At least for Africa, the Africa about could be immunity. But decision making, and I had Jamie when I saw an idea.
No soon editing the
Pam, Neno Pamway, I did channel Pamway, I did channel Pamway, and no more mobile team. No, if you want some fantasies on mobile team, and you'll be on it, and the bank Kotoko, you paid the Kotokochi, and you need to be on it, so more mobile because of entrance and money. So what I say, now only in Kofu Hotel. Macam was him.
And also some more demonstration
Because you were Juma, and you know Kotokoyanidia on yes, sir. Kotokoyanidia on yes, sir. For being Kodo Hotel, now 200 Ghana. The pay is 6. Every month, you have 5,000 penny per hour. What mean, sir? Because our workers, many of our mom that hotel the tree almost aka. So what I say? And only a no feel. But media. My man was 65 over 100. I just say, or pass it. Decisions, and a son near man, and as we free. Now, because pre-finance is important, and I need about very, very important. Since you can hear pie, beba. What you say near the acquire, your PC, because I get my house and Tokotoko. I think, say, Sadia, which may be in hiding. And if you want Tante, Kotoko de Kawaha, and maybe can hotels a government to
yeah. Even transfers players on bet 29.
No multimedia. It was so Sunday money. And I say, young fellas, we agree. When Nimu be brave. Into media for 3 years in a day. But you feel your buying. Make me a so passing. Nemo Sunday man, I'm a candidate. And it when you feel, and you know, media.
Yeah. Me, yeah, me no, yeah, Jenny, why are dear? But me per se, me breaking it here area by area. Now me hear how it's going to go. In the area of players, no wages and the remuneration, no. Why are they in there 100%? Because so far, saying I can play even Omokra now come 1 year, they call them they've paid everything. It is a player be no Becca team. The team they cow man, be also a pro rata. It be say 400 million 2 years. First year amount 200. Second year nearly 200 so. It be our buy or first year, waji. Second year in Andrew. But assurance and say draw on betia. It won't say yente say near the mekaim to ya winning bonus any way yente bibia into on that one dear. Can under 100%. And I made a mad dog. About infrastructure and also here. Because I never my team no enya bibia bet to me and say so. At least giving them a new bus. Who say Drew baby up him so ankasa to me is cat or bus at the markotoko. It means that it is good says I could have your bus. But yen con kotoko e won new bus. Ken and no money 50% because bus no is here to win was. Say to me to quarter quadianka, but whether or not that is the case, the effort of why you say or best secure a new bus for kotoko yin in year who said this is the bus no. Me money infrastructure no, me money 50% now Miria decision making or when they 10% 10 over 100 or when they mena me teacher anka make catch now for say or money in casa now or improve
okay
decision making they're very bad very very bad because okay they say say they be if you can't work with people who are intelligent, what I say, there is a problem. Now, if you're always being surrounded by people and pacho, and now form your low level thinking, or level of thinking, work from no more surrounded, will be a problem. Okay, so one with your makeup, oh yeah, denga, oh yeah, the obeka creative problem, bro. That is how it is. 18 year can say level be out when I can dry or the kind of people as only on my associate more. And don't just be about how bad but only on backers, but your level be an amobia wood tour. You were the level headed people as only on the two sanamon. And our hate team now say lawyers have been professionals are saying in Abem and Kosiaga. Into your honor, there is a problem. Because Drew baby, you still need the brains to help you move on. Ozana make about management, I may bought Mr. Ediaka Abaso all the time. Also consistently with management, you know, or PM, and ye BBR, the knowledge in the game. Our copy of your call GFA, the rules and everything now, or you're solid, and he's top up there. So you need people like that. So when young couples and alcophobia, so your boy, you are down for near idea. Any insense way, but our boys, you know. Of course, almost so ye nipa. Obia or Ben Obia, Shella, Obia, so ye nipa. Obia, so be obi to me, are contributed. They are not just useless. But emom, your area be out the showman, so be to me, ye. Emma benefit too. Any what area being so be a me match all tea, or the mammy or Koto Quadman, may go any mass because it be a mean to me. But area be also all the mammy, may just a win. So that is one thing, as a papa, and yes, or you are down for anti BB, I will say quiet. Yang yanisa into decision making they can may man 10%. Over area of transfers up. Can I know so I add there? So by any 40 players there. Nah. Any 40 players, you're much more. No, 43 and 42. Yeah.
3 seasons.
Yeah.
42 players.
42 players. It is a season be out top more than 10. Am I? At least or better let's say 14, 13, beba. It has the money. But I was here our transfers and so no I could see saying. Another area so more money. And any baby ben I can better on a chess a weird. Unza Ghana hano. Idea be was a club chairman, not all top players be bra. It means a woo year, Juma, and Tessa. Because Opa Real Madrid team normally Champions League to us or train. How many normally shape? And sometimes cry on quality girl and money I didn't know if we youth team no more 8 to me ba. So one area is all more and say, protocol as big as they are, no, and so you set up no so year, Juma. Because the youth boys they understand the system, the philosophy, and everything of the team. So some shema chemistry in cry a work it. So it is not almost always now say metal. It's good so better. But the question is here so Okono cast a team need the car. Yes, who asked you to buy 43? Yenim say open so boa team yes, but a excess a doors into those 43 in our way. Bebre kwa e bia amfa so akotokonya na very minimal. But business no utumi ye boka, utumi break even, utumi nya profit. But I saw managing ye said be ya boka. Because all your manager na dey be boka that business or me serious on bepam. It's in the area of transfer there one area so you're very critical. Kins a player na back or a player or be starting was starting so you saw the difference I think abeka team no. So even a season when you have 5 for crap even because the other team like Mediama almost top player first division here there but when they meet Kotoko na eja joaba o hit Chelsea 14 year when they meet Kotoko different thing they be na what billion we have to wait billion out to win here it's about nipa then or they but say 5 players for neighbor King no money now be great no about to say they really brought an impact to the team.
That area 42 players in 3 years. They're wrong.
Very absolutely wrong. That's what the team next
year. Chance to be able to transfer.
Yeah.
One area said it was Ikano. Wrong here, wrong. Want to mean and stay 3 years in one club.
No. Because say 11 players nearby. What or more than 3 set of teams within 3 years?
Because I know cost.
Yes.
The cover.
Yes. And King, the only thing we have to show is the FA Cup trophy. And the Africa you call money zone, you different. It is a worker investment ayaya. Ne returns ayena. Clearly, banker has say emfa. Ya boke. Yeah, and yet a dena, they have
42
yes.
Players in the FA Cup.
FA Cup. Within 3 years. Yenya League. Ye Africa near free group stage. So we investment yeah with the amount of money you spending. Any the returns na abana. Ya boka no serious obia will not give you that. Or what do my wing it? It's in going forward, no. And yes, yes, player winning ball boy fan up Debbie. Yeah, the player buy. See, was a player wait or the be the cutting no. Send yes a 3 pone beba no mudi be cutting way better than so they 400 beba ni ejina baby ejina. So it's an area so okay. Again, Mestre say bibia no ke the nim DNA. Sabi yeti hen yes ye supernatural beings be aden. Ba emom nim de kakra nyame adomode aman. Enu ti na yen young boys yetumi we are not near 40 kra. Yetumi betina kasa na big men 80 esa afre kra boy abaso. King bajo what I say. It is so omo nim de ntwa no hunhia. Eye very 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 because king obi your advice no so ye higher than one kasa. Okay. Say on say doctor wa bobra. Wo hwe adwuma wa ye baby a wafa ken enye easy to get there. Enti question I dey bia na me bisa ne say wo hwe Unity Oil na group of company level ewo. Na wo hwe on answer so be fa team the kind of people on your modwen omo ye nyoma. Ebo ebra. Yes ah. Obi we chi obe question your level of intelligence which shouldn't be the case. Meaning so or penny you understand what I'm doing. Also boys no dey fine. Obi wo ho loyal to you. But omo no ye wo de di omo ye. As for example, menkasa or no. Ken ye wo boys are. Ebi aye kra boys are all made a card ya utumi on ne di otumi yes or ye lie ma. Eno kasa on kwa ye liar. Omo de obe ye lie ni neat. Inti lie bia no ase chale kwa me we. Obi koya no ase anka kwa me wa ha. Ne de ye lie. Obi so ho a owo nche akin. Ube free boy pay bi kra no a graduate o. Ube free fie be kono sabi no wa cleaning wo. Bata o toilet ni adi nyina. There is this boy no ba no so you're a big fan. Me one patas boy na me to say na boy we invest in o yes ade no. Ono so wo adwuma we. E na obi wo kra so ye young but na adwuma ye deep to me too for pa no to me say kai aka madwene. Enti obia wo be sisila mu nyina no omo so wo mfaso. Ba emom ye oba bia ye use omo a ebe boa team no. Enye say oben wunti. King so what must say now say kwa we yes Saudi and nyambe and again send your kasa chiro mo ne omo ye adwuma so you're very careful when you dey mo. Because you do unto others the way I also person omo ye ma. Omo oni omo ye adwuma say be king senka doctor nkwa obetumi aye adwuma ni nyina nka there is no need so be for management member. Nka wa na be your peer. Why your club chairman? Why your coach? Why so be san cry your player? Now why your supporter? Now why your team? Now why ball? Ojo kapa. Now the coffee. But yenye ne sa. Into even players nanka sampa ebo ball no. Because we investment the king say be yenye your mom ball no e key. So mo koto to papa so your investment will be way. Into that maybe of course say omo just find investment no. Into even omo cry here respect. The coach needs respect. Management member be here respect. And respect na yes say obedi dom from baby asemi a won na be kasa ba butoyam ni odom no sika no kra ma ya they would want to work but e be adwuma and na finally be nyango person ontua management member say kana he's a rich man and no name me appeal he is a rich man and yet beyond him club no di anim no a rich club they get a lot of money mesre no mba cho say over 100 my man is 60%.
60.
Yeah, why you? Yes, or you green there. Woman is 60. My man is 60. But meaning say or twice so I can do much better.
Na me na do not twice so necessary. Andy,
The name of the game is resource.
Okay.
The resource name I there only 50 kra. Yes, resource. Only to me my Barcelona president. Real Madrid president. Now guys all go to players but our man she was only 50.
65 for not.
Dr. Chewa within 35 to 40 one.
35 to say.
40 one.
So no worry.
Can say.
So
Now can say we now pass mark.
me man a pass mark of 65
Because of what spending.
Baby ofi buy. Aye one. No you green kakra. And a 2. Or buy sikasem in terms of players. You know somebody key. And the man I had dream. The Kotoko freeway. Kotoko da baby o mantria. accommodation and Sunday morning. I want to say, I'm the player Biaka. And no, I two results of the players, 42 players in 3 years.
I think that's my okay. Understand for one thing. This kind of
42 players in 3 seasons. Macondemi with the FA Cup. Players are Odo no hotel. Oh, Jessica. On it, no man can then the decision making said na a year can. I said those areas. Obetina correcting and name decision making because of experience. Which me transfer say do me a mistake way, me a mistake way, me a mistake way. Ma di 3 years, me call Chico Consoa, me send you Jumana next time we may yet. Okay, players no crowd me do on Madame Wana, or Mobada Hotel Hono. I don't know copy baby, and a 1 day decision will be to me a year free.
Any coaches?
It is the reason time a man is 65. Me didn't call a name Sano, and it's a son near Mana or ya and your mamino. The idea between the even 1 week. I correct me. So what I say? Into and the mammy man is 65 into 35 on a day. I just say I will fund it.
Is he ready to correct it? No.
Oh yes, yes. Oh, you need
David, no.
So you can't already.
I'm giving reasons why it is no.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know because management now appointing first one for policy analyst. A chesa or you mistake or me boy.
Okay.
He brought in a policy analyst for the second time. From August to be seen, he had been sacked. Oh yeah, they on your shame.
I'm Pamon.
What my pam?
Okay.
In your first team, one will say why you mistake oh baby. And how do be a bass or make correct in the proper and one and you make one make it yourself baby. In theater so you are not ready to correct it. Secondly, because first team on me no money scout. This time they have scout. Dr. Church me far from Kodamu Akono to Boko Dr. Chen and Nakasa. And all those players out there, the coaches are not aware. Mexico could play for Pemini. The scout is not aware. Is he ready to correct that? No. Players on that hotel in August, Yana could do 2.3 billion. That was August. Your month mean. I got 3 months. Now you know when you are going to the castle. Can't go to the castle. You are getting closer to 4+ billion. Adam Chaki Yakuba Dewa. Is he ready to correct it? No. In the correction be any baby.
What time did you need? Over correcting because made a man pass mark say
can you say for something
over 12 months. Me make a sort of
okay, me because of
based on nearby why I can but on hotel did you need a cost over from Nanya Yatum. No, we know man or yet thing over son because we tell you idea. The conflict of interest, conflict of interest,
big one.
We tell it a on one idea. Into intimate fighting the players and Koda hotel. No one side this kind of so what you say. Intended and America say a one small area, sir. Me only say a yet denya is or anything. Just imagine say a moon nima. I just think I'll be a close by 90%.
Okay, a Kotokonia, a Fina United, you can't want to know. Kotokwa. Kotokon, we see the results in the day.
Baby, if you buy. Because about Orban, Obedu, you know. Nakotokono, I the Champions League.
Derby.
Nakotoko Premier League title, normally Chroma.
Derby.
Not FA Cup, normally Chroma.
And the Yenny from
Africa, I'm not dominating.
Okay, no,
never. What's shown on Ediana? Now, was solving your money.
Yes.
The last time I make us say, many am pretty me young on the CCB. And I may be some Southern Ghana national policy. In Jisenka, or man pay your buy. Yes or no, or tackle school. So what you say? Into Rihanna say, or qua. Yen Ghana had your school, the any school in any as in beer beam. Will be about tackle different thing. But I always say, Debian will be about or funny or tackle in the Debiani as about square one. And she said, oh, yes, I near my beer few, not in tackle one area. Nasa one area now or tackle it's me no new will be about tackle different area. What to be pointed I say? And you say, oh, not there be a true.
So I'm building a point in now.
There's a secret bank of the trust.
I say, my can I assemble? I've read it. It's a castle like a walk out young wire. Opieni Chroma obetimi adaw to that so that Kwame Chebe ya kotoko. Players or more many. Nobody. Opient mean that to sada. And opinions on Timin doubt is attractive in terms of finances under the 30. Nobody can do that. Opinion Timin Casa.
They were from 35 over.
Maybe into a 110 pet.
Results.
Very important.
Can be
Very, very, very
the deal.
important.
Mean Casa, send them Casa, a point, and I must give about 5
Master
outlines.
Mebo, say, yeah, say, Obi, Juma. You have said, 3 years, you analyze it. Master, I'm about 4 or 5 points. You will key points, it will be BPM.
Yeah, sure.
So, 5
Carry
points.
higher.
Say, as I'm saying, oh, yeah. ABA will be over.
Yes.
So, what to me pass and what? It means CDT.
Yes.
Okay. And Manchester United supporters not because Mr. Woodward to Alexis Sanchez got 500,000 pounds a week. No, okay.
No.
I think you're not getting it.
Okay, what do you call that?
What's it, Mr. Woodward? I'm giving examples. Woodward to Alexis Sanchez got 500,000 pounds a week in the year. Mona Bassett, why are you for Manchester United? Zero. What are the results? Okay, we are talking about a big club. What do you hope Martin Grant in Koshi was semi-final? It's a half for Becca or Kotopu group. We are discussing a big club. And you will become 50 million. You will become 40 million. You've done well. But at the end of it all, I was sad then I would see another baby back. Okay, the moment you sign 42 players for 3 seasons, it's a failure. In the field. And you fail.
And there's some
The moment
42 players.
yeah, for 3 seasons, it's a fail.
3 years. 3 seasons.
Papa must upon their crown, ne pamana, there be a good so pamano.
And it's decision making.
I'm saying that, okay, and I'm saying, what's it?
And I condemn
And I'm saying, and I'm still on that, and I'm condemning it. Me, I'll come to Adia Waya now, walk out. I'm saying that. So, Oban Alpha coach. Now, upon. No, Dr. J management corner within 1 year. Almost 5 coaches, me what? A failure. And I'm a what? A failure.
How much your compensation?
Yes, in Tiscana, you pre-finance and what's up with Team Neka? Because one due diligence in appointing that person. That is my point. One due diligence in appointing the person. Uba, and this is your philosophy. I know Kinebe will fall under my philosophy. He's the perfect person for the project. Maminko for Onomra. Okay, no one can find that person the night day. Abba, no, Abba execute that plan I'm perfectly. So one go for that person. Now so go for a second person. I want me a mesa. Now still look swear a book club in car. You don't come out and say that you are financing the club and you've done well. No. As of George Mwakombano, now that the Kwame Chase will book 30 billion. Before I'll be appointed.
You'll be the Becca already, so I'll be closer to but on what the Ankasa.
Okay, you know me. Me metna him ko twantron to obi so ye hwe. And you don't expect him to come out, Dr. How many times no kasa? I'm saying that I'm a journalist, pay my investigations, and I might come out with a figure. Me Pramantino Biano. Say before the Damakum over appointed you. Now I'll say was spending 30 billion.
And I know when you're saying.
Oh, I know the second how be and what you in Amfaso. That was it. Second how be say, yeah, the metro Jumano, my Namfaso, there be. And you'll be a by canobo. Bian fan and fast with them. Say, Kotoko African by. For my case, a full plane, you three as in Yanoma. What's some senior I say that? And to see me any attitude from this habit to that. No. And the point I'm making is that, Minkasa on Yashi, for finances, or your place, you go to play, or you me boss says, what is no being said this or 4,000.
I'll just send a message about green army kind of mean just as in the cracker. Because Dr. Cake is upon by almost green. When you're about 2 league titles. When you're 13 sponsors, no team central players in the can. Same 3 years. To send me, it is all the compare. Dr. Kiki is our non sweet green. Now, already, Dr. Kiki is upon to be here within 3 years now. Now, the 2 wheel one. I want to say 65 and I'm the man in the doors.
Can we agree on some of the crowd? They say green tin or coffee the Damako. Meba. Any green as something or coffee, a former chief executive officer of the club. And I will be a part of the previous management about 5 times in the buy. Uncle Damako Kotogo Manoya now. Is he allowed to do his work? No. In the green name. Because Seme, Minima Dian who in Diana Makofa Perry said, O me bombing your Jubaname or Saba, me must have the Jubana ya. A chest of Juman living and I can do it. In the case, the Americans was spending, but your baby are spending a intentional will of over Kotoka.
Yes, pending.
Ake, okofa lugaba. Okofa lugaba. No akofa Frimpong manso aba. No akofa blood aba. No akofa polakaba. No omu nyina obi anko.
Michael was saying.
Michael will say, obi anko. What are the reasons? See ka akona away. Koto ko ntimi ani ensi, he will be fired. It is the same trend. Inti hotel in Crawford for chance ye die enyele. Yakuba down for 13 months. Into correction I can work out on be correct na da be. The doctor buy why any second with your place ka yi. Players ba omom good offer. Uko training grounds at least that second one there till why you come on man face of the training ground. Ken had the doctor aye o kotoko I don't know. 42 players now can call Dr. Jenny first.
You can you say bro, 35 year old money.
What's that? What could you tell me?
Almost half of programs.
Say, we are training ground.
121.
Why a pitch?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Yes.
10 first one.
Infrastructure and also count.
Infrastructure.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Could I call for
Pitching A2.
how many years in it? Team the 35.
It's
19
First one.
Yeah, the team the 19 saying.
1935.
1935 the permanent. No more one pitch.
Yeah.
One pitch from your training. Yeah, proper pitch.
Yes.
84 years.
84 years also. When you're back with the idea. Into more two. You made mention of Kotokon Kodida Hotel and Mokabi. So you say Kotoko could never be waiting entry. Players beyond Makaso, Omojomoka, Omutra players like a also some players in a better office. Great. Infrastructure and then secondary players welfare. I just said, so what come you do, Iboma? Become 50.
Basketball.
The archive results. Because so the results can no be man over 90. So when your results on here, so results of by in Kebedu 90. Can our team no, but no yard. But San Yama Munui, a city 35. Ah, with the man.
Then Guasia team made in Munama. You are not talking about that. Okay, and the Kotoko mother than can respond this in higher straight.
Oh, yes. And
And in Guasia,
you're lucky, some almost sponsored the entry.
and in Guasia team made in the Monfanton. In so no, the market room to us and 5,000. Now, Kotoko 5,000 for respond that about King Okra to me sponsor. Kotoko brand, check those support, you know. Sika no mo Japan from Kanum Jazzy. Okay, Korad me reduced to a fin, Doctor Tiwide.
I reduce it.
To a fin, I'm today. Kotoko, almost me bomber. When you about 40,000 euro in the Power Stadium. On the sponsor should be a 5,000. Mozo, Dr. Sapon, 12 sponsors. How many sponsors now Kotoko one? Okay, Kotoko, you. And yet, teams in getting
why you out there, but met to us.
Yeah.
But still, by the Mijani, remember, they were 65. And also there.
And
Yes. Reduce.
Yes.
And 65 million man, and also too much. And our man at 35. 35 an hour, the man. And all my reasons. Oh, my near my baby, and said, I'm saying, near man, waiting here and a brosa percentage now the idea. One players, welfare, and infrastructure. At least. One man pass mark. Sanya man, you player welfare, infrastructure.
And they bet you more competing.
And then they team do competing. Can they say results on the back one? And come in for 65, and come in 80. But because of say poor decision making, results on your day.
Yeah.
Emma, poor decision making come back to players be more and for so be any so. And they were more running team in terms of finances. Sikano so almost see your money, man. And no, they can't, but Sanya may be an idiot. There must be person what tears and say, over 50 a man.
Okay, Master, Jesus Christ. Kotoko bought 1 month in your 7 billion. Who said Kotoko are training pitch? Training pitch.
Because in the video, because since about for me, we told. Yeah. Or you're winning 2 hours. And one or more you saw a bedding. And one
sponsors bear 13 crown in.
And one or more you saw a permanent. So, it is a one year you saw a permanent. No bit about could be saw a bedding. Become one. At least one.
A monumental.
Yeah, really yet. Master, what is one more about building a training pitch for Kotoko?
team papa dey say onya.
Ode man.
Kotoko. And I must say, but over Africa no munyate. Okay, training pitch. We training pitch. Oh Jesus Christ. Also we the training pitch for Kotoko. Okay, more you to Kotoko papa.
Trust me.
Training pitch.
Me too, trust.
Okay, me who dey make abra.
What I
Kotoko is so big. Okay.
Where?
Me see, Master, Kotoko boy against Ali La. That was stadium. How we stadium I am.
Kotoko ya big, you know.
Any man stadium no.
Maybe most of us once, but
yeah.
But percentage in a person will be any.
E come
money. And also person percentage.
That's not so bad stadium.
But the point is that Kotoko ya big because it's only football club.
Yeah.
More than our national team.
Yeah, sure.
It raises 700,000 Ghana cedis
yeah.
in a single game.
Match, yeah.
Close to 7 billion.
Yeah, sure.
In 2 hours.
Yeah.
And I said 3 hours or in 4 hours. I'm gonna the only football club. And my name say when institution be within 4 hours. I'm going to generate this idea in Ghana. So bet me generate 7 billion.
Yeah, be more better.
In one just 4 hours. No more generate.
Bini ha ken we bini ha.
Enti ene na mo ya big.
Okay.
I said telecommunication.
Okay, Kotoko me mu ba bia mo dia to. Kotoko na ye pam players ya ken om ko you ko ja to am players and that. You are reducing Kotoko. Ye pam players and om ko ja to am so you are saying that way and there it is monumental. Ye pam play for non performance. Nem penimfo na ko ja to na say the players na ba. Mo be see ewuram at to make sense. Even management and Dr. Che, any other Dr. Che na for the first time in Kotoko. Ye di people ma players am try to go am about Kotoko. I can't. Mo be say en sama esa da don't reduce Kotoko.
Trainer come say.
Me say baby am dey make so we training picture won ye che.
We dey nyabo trainer come say bo be eti.
Okay, the American say Kotoko nye sebi am not stars. Na na utwa pa ma Kotoko a wa ye bibi. Intina me catch say Mr. Odu tia Alexis Sanchez no popo ba sika kakraka. Results in my supporters no to mo fa dwuma no to. It is about results. It is about results. We are infiltrator why are the intina me say at least park no why are there. Adding up with another pitch he has done well. Paying the players very well he has done well. But it is under Dr. Chena Kotoko reduce to the level say play akwa and go free it turn. You've forgotten all these things.
Almost free players.
Yes. After the first season, on Sunday, 12 players. 12 players not told me in the first season that Kwambuan and it Prince Kwambuan. Yes, after those players came with the 2 years, 3 years, 10 players I would buy in your first season now. And after those players on my bed now, this again, Kotoko to the level say play any contract and what ask Maxwell. Players are more pay or more than no more chance to be a contract.
Yeah, that's true.
That is not Kotoko. That is not Kotoko. Okay, and that's an Kotoko. The argument people will put up and they say, you can form mobile win to me more. Manchester United man talk players with into that place. Madrid and confirm Mariano Diaz mama. Maya Mama. Or man to me and Madrid into play you. We're talking about Coutinho and Barcelona going in for Griezmann. That is the level of Kotoko. Obanawa and Timia, we need to add up another top player. No, Baba saw that not the results about. And Kotoko has been reduced to the level of team now. Players in the crowd are free again. Kotoko cannot negotiate for players. This is the Kotoko we're talking about now. Let's not be deceived by training grounds. There be my friend I so cry. Say I pack management now you didn't see that. And if as the management members one-on-one, they are disappointed. She's not taking center stage in Kotoko for not less than a week. She's not a popular Kotoko players maybe. Just because of bribery allegation. Closer to Dr. T, the team has been reduced. And I'm not saying it's on yeshi. Why you near my baby? Even paying a player 5,000 a week is not easy. But me and son come to be out, so it is pre-financed or till that yet or till so on fan check. And as you rightly pointed out, the hotel now Yakuba Dana will soon be a day. You know, 200 cities, no. Meaning that Dr. T workers are over baby or Ghana no. On for Bianco that hotel in 1250 cities a day crowd. And again, we are there internally. Yes, Kotoko saying lose or and to me say the obetimi can so by your players can welfare super. But welfare no some for results are it is say you go to zero. Some for results now marking. Sa yes park no so one sign because under 3 years obetimi has spent you over close to 40 billion. FA Cup nkwan ha be show zero because nkrofo ba e bi kura say wo check it for the price tag this come as when they nuru they have achieved something better. Inti loopholes na wo mu ni nyina o ka so obetimi atuatua no so sakofo bi ba kura say o metua on san man kwa mani pakro na adwuma no onye anasa onhwese ni pakro na adwuma ade ma no ono mbeye 3 years to the chain the management members in meeting ono mu nye meeting take it from me yes sports hotel as your ba no wachi amu asem ha na aka 5 minutes obi akọ bed eno ano 3 years kotoko video analysis wosu me kura akatua no enko it again there are a lot of issues in there that need to be addressed mama me am fati ni pet why are there at least why be the stability in the team in terms of payment with your players neka play be and complain but let's ask ourselves kotoko team na nkasa under him e ko na ni ma na e ba fem osafo adon say mo ka my investigation performance rate on the field of play ni de mehu anyhow kotoko want to be in Africa next time and he said the almost struggled okay e kira o say kotoko nko nanim de kira am say enko nanim and looking at the players that have been lying down omu be ja omu kwan okay everything shows that the movement of sack still I bet what from the management can you encounter and it is likely me say management members me who ni pay me no resignation on Wednesday evening me any pay me no resignation letter on Wednesday evening
I'm a private missing I'm missing
one yes lad say Dr. Chiches last month Bekano Utieche omo management members omo they need respect omo have meetings they are not respected in the club why do you have the bebana yemfa because initially the agreement was see a better player akwana so it should be a national team player see a better under 23 player it should be a national team player see a better player na so wanyina it should be a blaster material at least that was the agreement per the management. What do we see now? We say unco training and no beat now. It was agreed so on former junior team.
Until no question ABSC or training grounds for player between us chairman member.
Ken, the reason why I don't want to talk about CK on that. And it says what is a CK account super player been who player now or Rebecca. Inti Ken, a human so big in mouth. Now, who say one catch you man or the amount you are doing something extraordinary. Let's pick the Africa for example. Dr. Cheka said that that combo ball be one. What me about? He yourself, and in that game he scored. Dr. Cheka in the midst of Ajimabadu wasn't part. He manipulated his way through. He spoke to the player. Gave no count. Ya maneuver se kobobi. It make it show some money masse. The boy excelled. It came. Say why na ba for say man din kasa na o tie din kasa no o tie ma so kasa no o te we kasa ye chewe ya adwuma no nche na say so obe ha say the microphone fi o aba no nche say you are not on top of issues and technically tactically if you observe CK very well you know it and you can know there until say your coach na o na touchline o be prove beyond every reasonable doubt Herbert intimi nka say play and co training gan and smeding up on koya adwuma o timi nka say on ko ne Ravzun de koya adwuma because oba park who is ordinarily the House of Folk team were far better. But at least the Kotoko squad then. And you know the team in a year. It may interest you to know Kotoko no more winning. The coach will not coaching a coaching team can be looking at the six issue. Such a discuss come referee Kotoko back against as good 90 minutes no shot on target. How? Coach player who are the list Yakosa Umpeno. Now the list in the cup. Not time a Jiba quoted there be with your nation. Now the list number. You record those players, Kotoko Bomu winning, Oma Pam woman about Mumba started our winning. You are not on top of issues. And Bisakotoko supported Biase. The moment as our players nearby on Babisheko to go team, the fire Banakotoko, the starting NC tournament and the sanity off. Until said Jumana, oh, you know, better. And many pana or far who said there be. You are on top of everything. Tactically, technically, we be prove to players no so more dey bonus so and again. The person will continue to impose on you every day.
Okay, 3 years so still Babi Ojano 25 over 100. And now the account.
Ken, David, 35 minutes. If I have time to scrutinize it, I'm about to kakra.
Yeah, very soon. Okay, games in it, you're the ones I mentioned, Premo. More room for say non NC, a special accounting, so I'm on day 13. I'm not air person. Now, my man for we enter him say, games about so I haven't won this about Ghana Stars. And a game at air person. Sounds some, and a referee, referee, I don't know. Gas and Eddie, okay. I'll go to the Bechem United game now. Daniel Lai and a very side game. Now, Santiago Toko, any media man, and on the referee Bernard Donfe, and the very side game now. A Marin saying, because on POR, Kerala United, about a Dreams FC, and he gave a Basso folk, and the Almina Shots. Obeda Manquire reference playing for Germany, Busra Ross, and Liberty Professionals game now. And the referee Isaac Bassar, or no, and I give me the interlies, and the Waffa. And also a referee Emmanuel Boateng. Then I saw a game no any matches in there Basso. Na a more rim film playing for Kakra, I didn't come Kakra, and some idea for medium for a you come and say Obama, Ewa, and the baby son about medium, almost about more chances. Na you're more chances to see, but Maswa,
Yeah.
House of folks, they saying someone will be a commas about a quick one. I came grant I can some crazy about it be son about so here Kotoko matches maybe. Oh, okay. Was all her games in the live Kakra, but and you're one of them shit. What I say, House of Folk team and oh shit, yeah, there's somebody all there.
I'm paying for it.
No problem.
In fact, source we mean to me because it's a very close person. What is it here? I can say, or in fact, he was emphatic on his teacher. Let the striker be back to training grounds. I was training for the past 3 weeks. In the case, anything.
Chiefs are the player by or a striker. We're training for the past 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or a good guy.
Okay.
Kid, Kim Grant made me surprised because on the first day on your appointments and make can same be said. Over Kim Grant background and ya de also be good in Master Ghana. Kim nena nane pa Grant Lankasa. Alfred Grant. So who caught her criteria? I'm saying statue back one of the roundabouts. Now the other one is your Kwame Nkrumah. These are the main statues that are roundabouts and what I cried. And the grandfather no a millionaire. Tetena na yenji independence. Or muna ne yes ga for Gold Coast. Into no crana a sponsor political parties. UGCC. As I'm penny for Dan Kwame we more Dan Kwamone's angle for he sponsored and another Papa Munina. The Sikano this sponsor merchant. He was a merchant, big time businessman. Teteno. It's a Ebusiani Bia. They hold high esteem. Ewa takwa na Ghana. Empo Kwame Nkrumah kura ba. E na papa ne ten ho best sponsor Kwame Nkrumah. Nti Kwame Nkrumah CPP ni nyina papa ne sika. It is a wo share history power Ghana ye tro ne ye kan kura. Papa ni di juma papa.
As I can grant no on the package.
Debbie.
Okay.
But
be a one of my men because my men call Elmina on a minute. Okay. Elmina shall play a friend Daniel Ben, a cancer line, so my house of folk. One crying. Daniel Bocodier. You're the radius. Yahu Kumasipa. Elmina to say. Na shots, Yamia too much. Money house. I'm about to say. House of Folk team knows this. I will be through House of Folk. Meaning, first one, money has a boy. Okay, has a team now. So I was you know. obi asro has a chance nka ho na me ba me hwe mu team na me hwe has see a form na time na mo ni omo bo no won't make us be at that time na omo form na mai na omo find omo ready no can be na mo show no
because once I have prepared in a bottom and in there, I also be able to say, the one guy also to Unini. Doing that, like only I'm already in my man. That is something.
Okay. Enti nyame adom ochena mu hwem na was game wem. Minim de plan ben amode ko game no.
Okay, of course. Plans that one my to go what fun. And one I was again. So you know, as a house no more. We are qualified. I am not qualified, but the one year and shit, you know. There's with me, it's doing a maximum 69, so boy, major. It's with me qualified. See, give me there. It actually seems to find yourself to me communicating because I got back in there. And no man's land, when you go with me, I will come on. It seems I am pushing from the very game.
Oh, okay. Then I'll be cancel a million shots. A player, and then you do come on. And did I think I'm much not some supporters in Ano, as better when one can all.
Sure, and the moment 20 minutes and count. One day I said, this is a second glance of me and 210. But that's never a very possibility, ever since you were certain.
Okay. It's more someone I'm waiting to once I has a year. There's a more winning games in the house. When you 6 points in now. Oh, too bad. Young friends, we say. Let me do some last question because I mean, as us, more Eddie can share house into almost science house being the just one of the only team. Home and away in almost house, but
okay, send an make. What kind of background that? Papa Cry make no our ship. Ani Digu. Yeah, power grant, yes. And now O'Shea Sawmill Crown over West Africa. He started. Ewoko Jokrom, yes, area no ho. Na Kim Nancy ya wonwaha. Ne ma me mo na ye Irish. And now omode call UK at a tender age. Inti Ken Oko Takra de Kra Habo area so unim ho ya. Echo Bank building kese pa no. Eye ono Kim Grant so papa dia. Inti family ni family a very very respected. It's all free our family muna obey edma kinu ntumi megu when him say it's not done because son of my child 200 eso. And again kin o hebe bi onya ni training last na make no he was training UK and you be as okoya attachment full train who say he started playing with Luton Town any team of Bobasro Jonathan Woodgate your friend even England national team no or to make or camper or to make camp to co dressing room.
Oh,
yes. Any or more Southgate moving on your more close. It will have pictures of the better. It came so we'll share the certificate when you're with that license A, that UEFA Pro now. Level no so. It last time a cassette. We train in our family. And Nebema aside once our skill no. We train in Nebema why better. Until they do my money so okay in service training. Say we are bafofo. Into what the quality no day banner. There is no way I say Ophélie. But no I hear Juma or Ghana. Also on answer Black Stars no Nana Brew Butler they didn't buy.
Okay.
Yes. Bim say I be the pele ben ya be the pele. Nana Brew Butler come no ye FA Cup and no didn't buy Black Stars. Into o share baby a wafa wa bobo de be da no wa call no wa Bob Lancer to this level no be ye coach and so ye man the first team or manager or Ghana Dwarfs. That are not Dwarfs battle relegation or we last team on the table. But second round no befa ye we na Dwarfs at the 8th. E wa league no so. Ena Okoye no Bell Mina Sharks. But Sharks in the issue is obey 10-card director. But na coach na kuta first team nene wa confusion. And clearly my main control omu to make crack catchy. Na omu di Kim atem. They omu feel say Kim end but Kim what Otim Fante pa solid. Otim solid.
But no more did you not.
But no so nka. I said Mr. Herbert Mensa office on TP why mistake on TP. No one said you on TP.
No one is on moody to bring.
Omu so omu did na atem. It's on carry no yes okay sadia or no be ye you team no na we ne o say ni na ye players e be ba no say na be o say coaches on be you team it you team no producing most of the good players are omo pure Sharks into a core heart no and a hearts for ye ni say omo so policy ni say they don't want to buy big no onfa small players ni ye enye adwuma no say okay obehwe de obetumi aye into on one designing the new logo my hearts of say it's a heart enya different face na branding yet different it's a logo he designed it and on was na lead you more for Umbro kits na enyamba ni na ye production course na embai it is already oye na I say he's ready to want to work and again or person no so na ni wo Black Stars adwuma no so and national team adwuma no so emre bi offer me na aduana na vacancy abeda or no offer me say match na me was stadium from Accra to aduana no distance be saying it's a mechanic or see you maintaining cabin. It's now he wants to coach and create a new for himself. At least national team no. It's a second. I let you out back. So be Eduma. Until Eduma can grant a be a coach be any Ghana. Oh, can we be a coach be any?
I don't know.
I got 4 billion, 5 billion, 20 billion. They are pumped top. They are pumped. Me cry criticize you. Say House of Folk on topic. I did. Okay. House of Folk never first team or course semi final of the competition. I don't know. Now Kim on my and last season Grana has a
no, semi-final the area.
Oh, Kim
went to me.
Yeah, Kim. Yanka Bibia said no crepa the year can you read last season and House will not qualify for the semi-final. But they are the first team to get. Who will get there? What they say? Can I say? Omunko baby. I say I'm now sap on Omunko.
Just a minute from the house. Coach na idea. Okay, their standard of play needs to do but reality last year had a board. Yes, you don't want to go final too. Me say tournament say they had to go final simple.
But we are legal. Ghana legal.
It is still semi-final final issue. And last season it was the same thing. Proper league we start our king. Why are they at least? Okay, ball a house a bona. Me sure my getting talent.
Me want trophy check. I na me pay.
Everybody have a trophy. Team I bet you trophy. Who say I know?
Remember that? Okay.
I say to trophy check.
Who team I bet you trophy? Who I know say team now.
All the Black Stars na bet you trophy. After Boko there.
I can't
yes. Okay. Kotoko Winners Group. Now my group na that's you adwuma.
Yeah, adwuma pa.
Now mo cross Kotoko Africa we am recognize them. Yeah, but go for Blazo cry.
Okay.
Ndi mo ayi na mo se sala mo da so.
Yeah, papa ne frɛ
e bomb ma so dem
behind the clothes.
Oh, okay.
Do na ye benya senka, ye benya applause. On say when it comes to motivation, we have intrinsic and extrinsic. Be na obedience say
motivation.
You be na nipa aboy ensem amai. Obi si de ne say ode ne be kɔ de no aka se why ade. Do ye de ne anya ne se de ne esi penny but opa no efrɛ ye mpanyfo ne ye wo mu edai asese de ya matim no. Nani so. Nti I think so far so good. Pen this week yanti good news about Kotoko. Your expectation is in Kotoko. Benya good news. My best supporters say omode beche because Jumano and some Kotoko a big club. They a big club video. Then you benya issues kakra. Na issues neni nyina na beko yamaye. Nti your best supporters say omode dia babia no omon fanche ye. Say ye papa o eye boni omon fanche ye. Tim na ye pe. Enye nipa bi na esi di n'echi. Say ye sheshila o, say ye waye o, say we o. This week is not a good week for us. Some nyanke ye pese, nka ye nyina ye bechi a, no obi e ka bibia ba Kotoko. Ye ni media ma game no. But say ye nya ne sa, a say ye pe no. Nti ye bese supporters ni say, omon fanche di akoso bia no. No omfa omon matim no, edo omon matim e wo matim no. Anya kese enchan di akoso no. Some of the things na happen. I'm for na susu jagum. Said the bear Kotoko. Ye matching ye be lose. Ye winning match we are one ha yentimi qualify. And ye best ro bibia or Kotoko dana kuma so say. On fan and nyoma bia ne Arsenal bia o bia or this supported team no. Ye no. Say obon pae me Christo ni ye minima ne say me come koto gani ma bon pae. Ye were a Muslims wom. Omo yenyan mo ye akiri ya omo komoska omo nka Kotoko ne de ewo ye ni team bia Ghana ha say na me ready this week ranking by though Africa ya tosu 45 but Ghana dey yeah number 1 ya rival ya hwe bia ye hunu ba bia Ghana ha say team a ye hunu na ya bia na oh Africa rank ni na chese Kotoko ye big
Okay.
but the expectation is say you be manage the team no and you say supporters na say e china ye bo match o stadium na match na so ya ne media ma he minya o tinchen a media ma supporter kese pa na tinchen yes ro bibia so omra say o spend kakra ye bo Africa hu supporters e ba pa ba ye bo NC tournament yi kakra ye be ko stadium na nipa kakra bi yes remo ye de dodo ene echechire oman Kotoko so ye players no so penhwe se ye players no hu supporters ni bebra ene etimi bohye se ye kan Yakuba statiable echina I'm praying say ekosi kebe pair oni fatao
After me that's pa. You better say partnership on the bit me Madia. Okay. Any Alfred no Santoko awareness group no. What baby am the ABCD am tight. Obama. Media mobile.
Most that's my initiative for most team no na kwanso ebokumas. Eba Sunday ene kakabo Kotoko against media ebi awon TD no asat enra eba ekosi Sunday ekopim next week Sunday ekopim se be NC tournament no ya change Kotoko di na no kakabo Kotoko FC jizi Sunday match na ebon bon say a chon was scoreboard no say kakabo Kotoko ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti Sunday sana was Kumasi Asante boss player me some make just 2 me 2 point we also me dem Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters and some of the supporters of Mokroma because me be a management member edema media no at least me Kotoko my watch Kotoko and medium matches almost 5 e watakwa bia me and me lead team no e dey call omo dressing room batakwa obia not even single supporter of medium and a better touch bus Kotoko bus not even single medium supporter and a bit me edin and sabotage Kotoko player but last 2 years ya ba say supporters minyanum ye nyinae but now me depense omo yesa to trust me na omo ya fast intime ndi Kotoko ichi e ma fast na yankopon engine enhwiri na ngu so fast na we no enye se bia ball na ebo enye ntokwa enye dedeyo ball na ye ball no pitch no so me team ba me mfa wonsan ka me bass no mo video bia enam social media last 2 weeks and me send other platforms so Abibu mo baba mo awamo omo intimidations the day yo ni nyoma before team ka be wura stadium ka na nyoma mo de yo no na ensem fata abronso awon so kwa area obi ntimi nya osa because Kotoko e ba wo ma obi onso Kotoko a big club na oba at least on supporters or averages it seems media monzo a big club be ba Kumasi Asante media monzo on supporters or the oba oko me Kotoko ya ba Africa no omoko Al Hilal utu se supporter bi gina Al Hilal mfifi ko ekura Kotoko flag him obi anka hwenche no ba Kumasi Asante oba se onya house e na ba between the supporters aba oba se so oba be support team na afi abeya asem team special mo dede yo na ni intimidation omo fanto again referee na oba be di ball no e say me nyam mada na se anyina ne se e say abededi so Kotoko match on boy na moto to matches ebia yente kra yete 8000 shishila de court Techima esa de court Tamale you Kroma na Kotoko board match against Bichi United after that match you be at in some so Kroma in some place ni be kan say die Kotoko ebinom omanya be say e mom omuye against Techima 11 wonders United de so Kroma e what Techima omko share 3-0 inti referee na OS center referee over be diboy nyame ameda na sina ne say we allegations abededi see me breaking news ball no say about TV so they say GTV for I am money be so much on from TV so but GFM cameraman no nti ball na wabedi no ondi ni fair because e ba kuma sa be win that match you lose that match no boss player in a leading group no okay say last year league na e bo no na Kotoko either fifth and either first nti match mu say Kotoko abo no mo de kakra e say still na wada so da yechi a free last year air court next 20 years league I will be a Kotoko a must so damn dem echi because yes a free last year league na anase be mu and na your boy NC tournament still mo da so da yechi me catch on say boy bo krum e bia Kotoko whether they like it or not on be di medium echi
but that's the first song some quick about there
ya me king
okay some quick
king
na me tell
king mu say e be bia na me yare no me free am me say me dey at the study etu won say me so wa bi wo plot bia wo ton feed yeah na ma fo bi ti bia abi obi age na me think o mam konya na me to say obi amaje I will book room, I fly. 20 plot, 2.5 plot, 150. I will see boss coaches were 3. And I could see a bonus and enemy. You might intimacy and see the DT of a sinker or the movie. If you see the 2 judges, we are with young, who frame a number 1, and now for a number maybe 2 jaya. Number 2 mamma, no corner on the mamma. Seriously, pin be an water. A book room, a fly. And then number near 0248 583653. 0248 583653. 0248 583653. Number name. King. Across the pool. You started NC tournament here. You petit moi, say, Ubia and the Jimwa, a house. Ubia, Usha young guys here, Mabaya, Ubia, any Jimwa, a house. I did tell me that I may call Central Police Station. The call a police for no more, house room.
Police for a crime will be more
prosperous. House probably be
Madame for back.
Who do a Central Prison? We have been one, the pro court be. You want some anyway, a boy. Nashing now. Almost say a boy. NC tournament we are member a police for no be chapter our mobile organize a police for na
Central Police
Central Police Station
on betting has chapter
Central Police Station
come on say Central Police
yes you boy no
okay
ai ana oba magazine so baba transfer ho ana Alex sumo ho tese kofu bibia frefrem say e bibia bo tournament ni we are member ken me so no me kwa pro me nam na me hwe house for mo
support
yes yeah I feel supporters who say chapter no e conform who kobo sen ya twumasi na me for the currency na me mo so na me teach chapter 82 no na onzo e wo chapter wo boshen e na me free boshen so me aba boshen e no be say ma boshen ya omo asu fia ni barikasi no na yi no me nyere me page chapter no omo nyina beba sisi house mo ide unha support bia na ni sesa King. Na muka King Grant, Kim Grant asem. Uyo coach ya oba ya, onu ni coach a oba fa team no. Obi an kan ho sem do boni dia. Eno oba fa team no. En hihye ya odi ba team no dia a to boy pen o ye man. Wo start team na afo no ni. Sa place nkitikiti obi bi shemu. Dia hwe no ye man. En pefo so ani age, ye dim pa bota na chi. Se do bi anyi ye. Ebre bi am kan se ebe mi to nyumu ha ken mu ho fe o ma me ma wo latoji wo ebruni ye ma latoji o di latoji an latoji aduma no so no ye wo hwe bruni e bruni fiti aduma so no ye man ye ni age ho na mu made be mu so ni esan e wo na kwam bia nyame pamu ai se ze wo ye nzi wo bu ha wo ye kono ni nyi ho obi wo so na ni je ho e na wo bi ha supporter pa ni me mo wo mi wo ko ka se de ha sa ye mo ni nyi ho a na wo eboni aye ni nyina so we ha supporter se bibi kwa na tiwa bi na umpa e ma bonti me ka wo le hu pempo na patu o mani ni e ni sisi
so me ko tama so
okay se e ka krebi na o di ma mi ken na me hu se ye ni Elmina Shak ene ekomo na ken ye to obi esu no a enye sa Elmina ko yo
wohwɛ NC tournament yɛ bo a ɛna na meka kyerɛ sɛ yɛ promo mo ni agye pa wɔ so ayɛ ha saa yɛ obi o share first round bia yɛbɛhyɛ no obi o share first round bia yɛbɛhyɛ no wohwɛ karara o mo hyɛ yɛahyɛ ɔmo wan ni bi ɛna yɛ so ahyɛ home na wei mienu eti wo no so do wonu so ɔbɛhyɛ yɛ anyɛ so ewia se hu aboa bi no nka wo da na wo na prɛprɛ no yɛne saa sakfo ekobo yi yɛ pɛnfo akra to bu pɛnfo ni nyinaa supporter ni obi aba akra ken pɛnfo se ewia se atwi ho yi mu odu esi otu kwan fanya obi aka fie obi aba stadium ho ni yɛ die saa point ni wia ɛna mafo bi hu sɛ Africa na esi ebe se yɛ kɔ no u pro bi ɔbɛkɔ Africa no a ɛyɛ has fo ni yɛ ni abi se yɛ kɔ Africa no na nyɛ kotokɔ anaasɛ nyɛ team saka no yɛ start ya pobima ya yɛ nyinaa na yɛ ne nkola no bɔ yɛ bɔ game no bɔ yɛ ne wafa bɔ yɛ start bɔ game no obi every point say yes muna munya Africa na mbɛkɔ
so ko me da se
ken wada uma ayi na Obama nso wasɔre kɔ kama ebisa na sɛm sɛ ɔmo ne media ma no ayi ɔmo ne kotokɔ no media ka kotokɔ hyɛ media ma ka mepɛ oh the media me kasa anse kotoko anse media ma obefiri mu onka tournament no ene so ameka ho so a enye de uze be kan fia se ye hia wo mo yen ye wo form a ene etim nya wo show mo form no a she wafa no sa form no bi de se dan mo mo e de team aye mre tire ka do team na mre se back to anto mo de dan aye mre ene sem tum to team bi de bia meka kotoko wo pese unya no a movement ensem so masimu hey sisila de no asimu no e na opela unya no u pese o se ni na ma de sinu a unya no
nti o pese
ai ye pese o mu se media ma na o mu team qualify na ye nya o mu e se ensem so masimu no me de mani age pa
se man hye o mu
ye bompa ese be hye o mu to wo won team ya na wo bo wo ye bompa ese hat benya kotoko a send phone bi ato e se Ghana ha obi ni wotu ba se wa fafo se won pam ko mu record mu wafa enkola we omo so omo enkola o maba no has ko na tima send form so na sha has 5 ha ken
etino so ko na so
pa ya me bo han se o yi o me so
ko ya kala makola so na se so ko no over to my first 024419 4920 024419 4920